On the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition, there's a time and place to lower the feed dogs. And over here on this side of the machine, we're talking about this little lever right above where the foot control plugs in. And you can see that when I push it, if I just push it a little bit, it comes all the way out to the edge of the machine. So to lower your feed dogs, you're going to need to push it all the way in until it stays indented, just like that. Now here's a note about those feed dogs getting lowered, is to bring them back up, go ahead and push all the way in and bring that flush to the edge of the machine. But if you look over here, the feed dogs have not come up, and that will only take place once the machine takes a stitch. So you just need to put some fabric in there, sew, and you'll hear them click into place. So let's talk about where I lower my feed dogs, when and where. One of them is when I do free motion quilting. I definitely want to lower my feed dogs for that technique. I also am showing you one of our blocks from our BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course, and we have fun with sewing buttons on. Now the machine won't require that you lower the feed dogs, but I'm a big fan of them not being like doing this on the underneath side of my fabric. Even though the stitch length is 0 and they're meant to just go back and forth, I don't need this. So by lowering them, they get out of the way. So anytime I'm doing any tacking, sewing buttons on, and yes, these are tassels made out of threads. That's one of the techniques. One of the 25 different techniques that we actually show you in this course. Here's a block on Spanish hem stitching, and we got all sorts, even that's bobbin work where we do some fun, where we put that's the same thread as the tassels in our bobbin and then stitch upside down. But let me show you one more thing where the machine will require you to have the feed dogs down or else it won't stitch. And that will be with the embroidery unit, but it will also be with the BERNINA stitch regulator. So if you watch the screen, I'm going to just quickly plug in the BERNINA stitch regulator onto the back. I'm not actually putting it on the machine for use, but I want to show you the screen that pops up indicating that the feed dogs do need to be lowered. And the machine can actually sense when the feed dogs are lowered, so if you haven't done it, you'll get this little message again before you actually get to stitch. So by lowering them down, you will see that the feed dog function will actually turn yellow, also indicating to the machine and to you that they have been lowered. And once I go ahead and bring them back up, that will actually turn back to white. And again, I'll need to take a stitch for it to actually show that the feed dogs are back engaged. So I hope you'll experiment with some of these extra techniques that you can do with the feed dogs down. And check out the links that we have below this YouTube video where you can watch 10 of the Stitching Cosmos videos for free to see if that course is right for you.